Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 29. This question is from GATE 1995 examination. So let us read the question. A three-phase AC to DC diode bridge rectifier is supplying from a three-phase 440 volt source. Okay, so it is a diode bridge rectifier they have given and line voltage is 440 volt. The rectifier supplies a purely resistive load. The average DC voltage across the load will be. Okay. So our task is to find the average DC voltage across the load. So if you check the three-phase rectifier, okay. In a three-phase rectifier, we have discussed about the controlled rectifier. Okay, controlled rectifier. But here they have asked about the uncontrolled, that is a diode rectifier. Okay, so if we put alpha equal to 0 degree, if we put alpha equal to 0 degree in controlled rectifier, expressions, right, rectifiers expression, then we'll be getting uncontrolled rectifier. This is important point, right? Please try to understand, because for the diode rectifier the alpha is 0 only, because as soon as the diode will be in the forward bias mode it will turn on. Okay, so alpha equal to 0, if we put in controlled rectifier expressions, then we will be getting yes, uncontrolled rectifier expression, right? Expression. Are you getting the point? Okay, so here first thing is we need to put alpha equal to 0 degree, right? If we put alpha equal to 0 degree, definitely we will be getting uncontrolled rectifier expression. Now, but in the three-phase controlled rectifier, we are having the two expressions of V0 average. They have asked for the DC voltage, that is nothing but the V0 average. Okay, so we are having V0 average two expressions. One is for alpha less than 60 degree and second one is for alpha greater than 60 degree, right? One is for alpha less than 60 degree, the second one is for alpha greater than 60 degree. So which expression we need to use? If you check for alpha equal to 0 degree, definitely we need to go for alpha less than 60 degrees expression. Is this clear? Okay, so here, yes, what is the expression we are having? V0 average is equal to what? 3 VML by pi into cos alpha, but alpha is 0 degree. Okay, and VML means what? Peak value of line voltage. Now they have given the line voltage, it is equal to 440 volt. Always keep in mind, in the three phase supply, right, whatever the specified value is the RMS value and it is a line voltage value. So it is a 440 means what? It is the RMS value of the line voltage, right? RMS value of line voltage. So from this we can find peak. So peak value is equal to what? RMS into root 2. So it is a root 2 into 440 volt, right? So it is a 440 they have given. Okay, so root 2 into 440 means what? It is a peak value of the line voltage. Okay, divided by pi into cos of 0 degree, right? So if we check, it is equal to 3 VML. So 3 into root 2 into 440 divided by pi into cos 0. So it is a 594, right, volt. This is the V0 average, the V0 average, that is the DC output voltage, right? DC output voltage means what? V0 average they have asked. Okay, so 3 root 2 into 440 divided by pi, yes, 594.2. Okay, so final answer is 594 volt. Okay, 594. This is about the question number 29. This question they have asked in the exam GATE 1995. In the next video we will be discussing about the question number 30. Thank you.